SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable always-on display on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Before we get started, it's important to note that the always-on display feature is only available on the Pro models of the iPhone. That means the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you have an iPhone 15 or an iPhone 15 Plus, then you aren't going to have the always-on display option. So with that being said, you can enable your iPhone's always-on display by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Display and Brightness option, and then you can scroll down again until you find the Always-on Display option. Now you can select this, and you'll see another button here for Always-on Display. So if you tap that, then that's going to enable the feature. Once you enable that, then you're also going to have the option to choose whether or not to show your wallpaper and notifications on the lock screen's always-on display when that is active. So you can adjust these accordingly. So now with the always-on display enabled, if you lock your phone by pressing the side button on the side of the device, then it's going to go to the lock screen and it's not going to turn off completely. It's just going to show the date and time. And if you have your wallpaper and notifications enabled, then you'll also see those there as well.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.